Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change chart title in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change chart title in this document. Firstly, insert a chart. Then go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. And we can see here many charts. We select a chart, then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a chart. We click the chart title box and select it. Click and drag on our mouse. Then write anything on our keyboard. Now we can see here we change the chart title very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.